Okay, let's get you in. Sit down. Beautiful day. Looking forward to paddling out here and getting some exercise. Love everyone. Jackals, sit down, Bubba. He's struggling. Out exercising with Captain Jack. It's beautiful out here in the water. Good for exercise, good for mental stability, good for puppy health. Man, there's something relaxing, hey Jackals, about being out here and feeling safe. Yeah? Where's the jellyfish? Not a person in sight. Nothing to worry about. Beautiful out here today. Exercise, isolation, mental health. Hey Jackals, you doing well? Beautiful, huh? Floating with your tongue out. Beautiful day. Don't like hearing those sirens though. Just don't like hearing those sirens while we're sitting out here in the water. Makes it real. So funny. Jackals has gone to bed. Too much out on the kayak for you today, Bubba. Good night then.